Relationships are like birds. If you grip them too tightly, they break. If you hold them too loosely, they fly away. But if you hold them with care, they'll stay with you for the long run. Stop calling it love if you're crying more than you're smiling. Walk away. Someone better is out there ready to see that beautiful smile of yours. Don't hunt for the perfect partner. Look for the person who helps you become a better version of yourself. Stay away from people who make you feel alone. Honestly, being by yourself is better than being stuck in bad company. If someone's actions don't match their words, believe the actions every time. Nothing lasts forever, so don't put yourself under so much pressure. No matter how rough things look right now, the situation will change. Watch what you say when you're angry. People might forgive you, sure, but they won't forget the words you threw at them. Don't stress about what everyone thinks. Focus on yourself and keep your mindset positive. Some people stay negative no matter what, so don't let their energy get under your skin. Real love feels safe, not confusing. Peace is a sign you're with the right person. Some people feel important in our lives not because we love being around them, but because their absence makes us feel painfully lonely. Don't beg, don't chase, don't act needy, just breathe, because when you relax, what's meant for you finds its way to you. Create distance from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, or constantly put you down. And yeah, it's hard, but the people you love the most often end up being the ones who hurt you the most. A healthy relationship has boundaries. Love without boundaries turns into stress. The more you show your real emotions, the more some people look for ways to use them against you. One of the best feelings in life is doing the exact thing people said you couldn't do. The struggles in your life aren't here to crush you. They're here to show you the strength and potential you didn't even know you had. Never reply when you're angry. Never promise something when you're on a high. And never make a big decision when you're feeling low. If you keep losing yourself to keep someone, you're paying too much for that love. Here's a lesson life taught me: there's no market for your emotions. So don't go around promoting your feelings, show your attitude instead. Never hate jealous people. They're jealous because deep down they believe you're ahead of them. Don't cry over someone who hurts you. Smile and say thanks, because you just gave me the chance to find someone better than you. Maturity shows up when you stop making excuses and start making real changes. The right person won't make you beg for effort. They'll show up without being forced. A woman who truly wants to be with you will keep asking you about two things. First, your life, and second, your business. Life gets way easier when you stop explaining yourself to everyone and simply do what works for you. Love means nothing without action. Trust means nothing without proof. And sorry means nothing without change. Do everything with a good heart and clean intentions, no shortcuts, no exceptions, and you'll have way fewer regrets. If you want more real talk relationship lessons like this, simple, honest, and straight to the point, hit subscribe and drop one line in the comments. Which quote hit you the hardest today? I read every single one.